Sultan Khan, known as Sultan Rahi Punjabi and Urdu, was a Pakistani Punjabi actor. Some of his films include Maula Jat, Sher Khan, Chand Aryam Kali Chor, and The Godfather. Bashir A and West Side Gujjar. He established himself as one of the leading and most successful actors of Pakistani and Punjabi cinema. 1. He was shot and killed in 1996. Life and career. He was born in Muzaffarnagar, Binary District, Uttar Pradesh, India, during the British Raj. After the independence of Pakistan in 1947, he moved to Gujranwala, Punjab, Pakistan, where he performed in the stage drama Sultan Rahi. In 1955, he began his film career. In 1959, as a guest actor in a film Baghi Maulam Jab was released on February 11, 1979, which became his most successful Pakistani film. His other works include The Rambiku 1980, Sher Khan 1981, Salat Sagat and Gulamai 1985, where he appeared in key roles in over 535 films. 2. He worked most often with directors Mr. Drama and Yamaz Malik. 3. The notable Pakistani film actor Sultan Rahi is popular for his Punjabi films. His original name was Sultan Rahi, but he became to be known as Sultan Rahi. Born in an Aryan family in 1938, he was equally famous in Sikh and Punjabi people of India. Sultan did more than 750 films, which include both Urdu and Punjabi films. He is named as the most prolific actor in Guinness Book of Records. His famous films include Sher Khan, Maula Jat, Kali Chor, The Godfather, and Kanvaryam. Maula Jat was a turning point in his life and then whole career. 2. Before he became an action icon, he played supporting roles in many films and was an extra in Baghi. In 1972, his life reached a turning point when 3 of his films received Silver Jubilee. After some years, he became famous in the Punjabi community as an action hero. The release of Maula Jat was another great achievement of Sultan. This film is the most successful film in the history of the cinema of Pakistan. The film broke all the previous records in the film industry of Pakistan and became his identity. Most of the times he worked with Masood Rana and Yamaz Malik. Maula Jat as well as Sher on one Diamond Jubilees in Karachi. Sultan is the only Bollywood actor who has appeared in Diamond Jubilee films in a role of actor as well as villain. He was assassinated in 1996 at the age of 58. On January 9, 1996, he was shot and killed on the main highway in Pakistan known as Grand Trunk Road near Gujranwala, Pakistan. Top 10 films of Sultan Rahi. 1. Maula Jat. 2. Sher Khan. 3. Kali Chor. 4. The Godfather. 5. Kanvaryam. 6. Sher My Body. 8. 7. Zar Khan. 8. Tufan. 9. Commune. 10. Barambiku. Sultan Khan, known as Sultan Rahi Punjabi and Urdu, was a Pakistani Punjabi actor. Some of his films include Maula Jat, Sher Khan, Chand Aryam Kali Chor, and The Godfather. Bashir A and West Side Gujjar. He established himself as one of the leading and most successful actors of Pakistani and Punjabi cinema. 1. He was shot and killed in 1996. Life and career. He was born in Muzaffarnagar, Binary District, Uttar Pradesh, India, during the British Raj. After the independence of Pakistan in 1947, he moved to Gujranwala, Punjab, Pakistan, where he performed in the stage drama Sultan Rahi. In 1955, he began his film career. In 1959, as a guest actor in the film Baghi Maulam Jab was released on February 11, 1979, which became his most successful Pakistani film. His other works include The Rambiku 1980, Sher Khan 1981, Salat Sagat and Gulamai 1985, where he appeared in key roles in over 535 films. 2. He worked most often with directors Mr. Drama and Yamaz Malik. 3. The notable Pakistani film actor Sultan Rahi is popular for his Punjabi films. His original name was Sultan Rahi, but he became to be known as Sultan Rahi. Born in an Aryan family in 1938, he was equally famous in Sikh and Punjabi people of India. India. Sultan did more than 750 films which include both Urdu and Punjabi films. He is named as the most prolific actor in Guinness Book of Records. His famous films include Sher Khan, Mala Jat Kali Chor, The Godfather, and Kanvaryam. Mala Jat was a turning point in his life and then whole career too. Before he became an action icon, he played supporting roles in many films and was an extra in Biography. In 1972, his life reached a turning point when 3 of his films received Silver Jubilee. After some years, he became famous in the Punjabi community as an action hero. The release of Mala Jat was another great achievement of Sultan. This film is the most successful film in the history of